Okay, now it's going to start recording. This is a Krazy-Man, 69. I'm playing with a buddy of mine. He's in the Colorado. I'm actually going to be a smartass and play a destroyer, but I'm picking the Japanese Tier 6. It's got a little bit more range, a little bit more punching power, and I can play a good concealment where they can't find my ass. Let's see here. 5.1 kilometers detectable range. My torpedo's 11.66. And here we go. And he ain't talking.
Birds being really loud.
Oh, that's
Roger's
alright.
being noisy.
That's alright. And I usually stay in the game till the game is over with.
It's fine.
Well, at least you got the Colorado. I'm in the Akatsuki. This is another new map you haven't played yet, bud.
Sorry, I'm just gonna shoot things.
Yeah, just shoot things. You shoot them and I'll torp them. There's 3 destroyers on each team. Yeah, this is gonna be fucking great. What's the battle cruisers anyways? The Southern Dragon. The Trento Tier 5. Yeah, I don't think none of them got sonar. I mean radar. Actually, I don't know about the Southern Dragon. I think I'm going to put some torps out this way. How many do I have? 3. I'm actually going to keep one set. What's that fucking Iron Dragon? I'm trying to figure out what battle cruiser it is. It looks like it's a Japanese. Go get him, Helen. Oh shit, there's an island. Oh shit, I can't get him. Stupid islands. Screw it, I'm going to send one over that way and send one that way. Alright, I botched that up. How you doing back there?
Talking to me? I'm alright,
Yeah.
still alive.
Okay.
So far, so good.
I'm gonna go out and try to spot these guys so you guys have something to hit. I just got detected. Shit.
I see you over there.
Yeah.
Just trying to find you.
That southern drinking. Oh, well, wait a minute. I hope that battlecruiser eliminates. Okay, now I'm good.
Shut up!
So. Okay, their destroyer's almost dead, so. We got a bunch of torps go. Oh, shit. I didn't see that prick. And why hasn't he spotted me yet? I have no clue. Okay, we got rid. He's gone.
Nice work.
I am going to try to capture this cap. There's Colorado right there, and I'm just going to put this right there. Stop it here, put my smoke up.
Smoke generator started.
Oh shit, I'm gonna put one right here just for shits and giggles. Well, I just set him on fire.
Our team is taking the lead.
Now this is where the fun begins. If someone can get rid of that damn destroyer, I can wreak havoc on these 3 battleships behind us. It looks like my other teammate destroyer is actually doing the same thing. And I'm actually getting too close to him so he can spot me. So I'm just going to put a couple torps. I'm going to put one set here. And I'm probably going to bite this one. Shit.
Torpedoes to port. Engine boost activated.
Well, I see our destroyer's dead, so hey, why not? I'm the last one.
I'm heading over towards C over here.
Yeah, be careful. There's a destroyer over there. I mean, we got this one as long as we don't lose no more ships. Oh, okay. Where's our other battleship? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try to get another point. Oh, he's way over there. Is it me or is this fucking thing lagging?
I don't know. I'm following you now. You look bad. I mean,
Well, I'm pretty sure he went to eliminate you, so I'm gonna go. Wow, there's. Is it my eyes or is it starting to shake?
yeah, if my guns would have shot a little faster, I almost had him dead.
Trying to get rid of one of these son of a bitches, but I hope that guy, the Bayern, he goes to CA and catches it. I'm trying to get rid of one of these destroyers, but I mean battleships, but it looks like I'm gonna hit him at least with one or maybe one torpedo. Yep.
Hey, you got him with one. I was following the torpedoes.
Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of them. I mean, we're ahead on points, but with that destroyer out there, he could easily destroy him. I'm only going to shoot one set right now.
They're kind of trying to run away. They're trying to get away from you.
Yep, I am. If I can get rid of one of them. Ooh, I'm going to hit him. 3 hits. I'm going to try to capture this point to seal it.
See, it looks like the one guy's turned around on you. I don't know if he's coming back.
That's fine.
Yeah,
I'm
just
actually-
torpedoes everywhere. I see your torpedoes. Look like you might hit that guy over there.
Yep. If I get rid of him, that'd be great.
Oh. They missed him just barely. Go on.
Yeah.
Engine boost activated.
We're gonna win now because we got the points lead and it's only got 130. I technically don't have to fucking do anything but sit on my ass right at this given moment. There. Seeing as how we got the lead, I'm gonna be a total smart ass.
Smoke generator. Our victory is in sight.
It'd be nice to hit them, but it ain't gonna happen.
Smoke screen set.
So what was your score? Hey crew,
Yeah.
what was your score?
My damage was 16,766.
Still not bad. You got one kill.
Yeah. One.
I did 69,000 total damage. 6 torpedo hits, 1 capture, 4 floodings, 1 fire, 3 shot downs. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, I did good. But anyways, if everybody likes this, click like and see you the next time. Oh, wrong button.
Hasta la wedgie.
This won't freaking stop.